Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're working on this old Craftsman Professional. The guy told me it's been sitting for a few years. If you look inside, you can see there's still fuel, but you can also see all the filters. And then we're going to have to clean that out. And then I'll put some fresh fuel in it. And we'll give it a go to see if it goes at all, okay? Alright, I filled it partially with new fuel. Let's see if it primes. I'm going to hit the button right here. Oh, it looks like it is priming. Let's give it a little prime. And then let's give it a choke and see what happens before we do it. Nope, that doesn't sound good to me. Alright. More. Alright, let's take it apart. Okay, taking the plug out. Let's take a look. It's a little dirty, but it's not horrible. I mean, look at it. It's not. I mean, I've seen worse. So let's go look somewhere else. All right, put it on the wire wheel. I cleaned it off in case the varnish around here was not letting it make contact and it wasn't getting good ground. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clean up in here and then we're gonna put it back in. All right, guys, I put the spark plug back in. Let's just give it a shot and see what it does. Okay, I got on choke again. Nope, still dead. Okay, let's go further. The air filter and the foam, really dirty. The cover is really dirty, so we'll go in here and see what's going on. Okay, taking that off. Alright, we got the carburetor off. We're going to take the bulb off, and then we'll separate it and see how it goes. Alright, got the screws backed off, and let's just take a look in here. Come on. There we go. There's a button. That seems okay. Because you know it's wet, so we know fuel's coming here. Let's carefully remove the diaphragm. Diaphragm looks okay. Right here like so. And then this moves okay, so now let's look at under here, okay? Okay, everything's clean. We're gonna try reassembling and hope for the best. I don't know. We'll give it a shot here. And we'll see what happens, okay? I'm also gonna replace all the fuel lines. I think they're all pretty old, and we'll see if I can find a match. Alright, I'm going to put a new fill filter on. The other one's looking kind of a little shabby. I ran a new pickup line for the fuel. And then we'll get the carburetor. We'll go through that and make sure that that's okay. So let's drop that fuel filter in there with a few new fuel line and get it to go be happy in the bottom of the tank. I think that's good. Okay, let's get it together. Okay, tighten it back up. I did do a little cleaning. We'll tighten that by hand the rest of the way. Alright, let's see what we can do. Off, on. Choke. Not good. Let's try something else. Okay guys, I took the rotary valve out, rotary vane out, and I cleaned out this that little hole there, and hopefully now it will work. So we'll see it. It was occluded. Alright guys, it runs once we get it going. So we'll have to adjust that and see how it goes. But otherwise, hey, I think that was it. That little orifice was what was plugged and making this thing not go. So we'll give it a little tune-up and then we'll wrap this thing back up, okay? Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and as always, have a great day. Take care, guys.